Hello students, let's read this problem together. A square is drawn inside of a circle. The circle has a diameter of 12 centimeters and the side length of the square is 8 centimeters. What is the closest area of the shaded region of this picture in square centimeters? So we have circled and underlined our important information. We are going to make sure to box in our question. It says, what is the closest area of the shaded region? So the first thing we're going to do is find the shapes. And we've already been told in the first sentence of the problem that we have a square and a circle. So our first simple shape is a square. Let's find the area of a square. As we look to the math chart or the formula chart that we have here at the bottom right, we see that we have the area of a rectangle. Once again, we are looking at a square, which is a rectangle because it has 4 sides, it has 4 90-degree angles, and the opposite sides are parallel and congruent. So since the square is a rectangle, we're going to use our formula, area equals base times height. And when we look at the square, we know that all 4 sides are the same. So if this top side that they gave us is 8, then this side on the right, the height, is also 8 centimeters. All 4 sides are 8 centimeters. So when we need a base and a height, they're going to be the same. The base is 8 and the height is 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. Don't forget our units. We had squares, centimeters for area. So now we're going to find the area of our circle. And the area of the circle in the formula chart says area equals pi r squared. So we're going to substitute the dimensions of our circle into the formula. But as you notice, we have pi r squared, and the circle that was given to us with a diameter of 12. Do you remember what to do to find the radius if they give us the diameter? That is correct. Since the radius is half of the diameter, we will divide the diameter by 2. So for this circle, the diameter is 12 centimeters. So the radius is half of that. We take 12 and divide it by 2, and we get 6 centimeters. So now we can replace the r with 6. Pi times 6 squared. So 6 squared is 36. So we have pi times 36. So if we want to give the perfect and exact area, we would say the area of this circle is 36 pi. If we want to give an estimate, we can round pi to 3.14, which we will do. So the area of this circle is 113.04 centimeters to the power of 2, or squared centimeters. So now we have the area of the circle. But remember, we're looking for the closest area of the shaded region. So the shaded region is the part of the circle that is not covered by the square. So it is the difference between the circle and the square. So we are going to subtract or find the difference of these two areas that we have. Now for the circle, we have 113.04, but since my answers are in whole numbers, I'm going to go ahead and round it to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to use 113 minus the area of the square was 64. So when I subtract that, I get 9. And then 10 minus 6 is 4. So 49 squared centimeters. This right here is the difference, and it is the area of the shaded region. Notice what we had to do for shaded region. We have to find the difference or subtract the two simple shapes that were given to me. So 49, our correct answer is D, 49 squared centimeters.